Hello, welcome back to Blender Sushi LIVENODING. In this episode, let's do a bit of improvisations. Let's go to the compositing right away and let's make a list of the things, like the options of what we want to eat today. Let's say you can either eat sushi, pizza, noodle, spaghetti. They're similar like noodle, but you can also eat fried rice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's make 6 different possibilities, or you just want to eat salad or vegetarian. So here you have 7 different choice of foods, and you kind of want to make like a roulette. Okay, the roulette is the key points here. Let's save this as spiritual roulette. I was actually gonna do this using Blender Dynamics, but I'm not 100% familiar with it, so I'll be just using Facebook 3D pose. You will see soon. So we need a text in. We need to load our text, but make sure you actually turn on force input because we are forcing string value instead of numbers. Load it, and let's use text output, which is a typography viewer. Plug it into the text, and if we use like a line, plug it into the matrix, and we have like 7 points of lines. We should get this, right? It's pretty cool, but we don't need line is not what we want. We need to use a circle because we want to make like a roulette. So circle, and if we plug in the vertices of circle, 7 circles, we get that. This is kind of alright, but for a roulette, we want the text to be kind of like orienting differently. So we can use matrix, maybe matrix normal. So circles have a location, circle also have normal. We just need to plug in the matrices, and we are getting somewhere now. We just need to adjust the positions in X. Maybe this should be center. Alignment left, alignment center. It's whichever you like actually. This is kind of getting there. Text by default is I think going in X direction, so might need to just modify this a little bit. Kind of want it to actually going in vertically like that. Vertical, and we need to extrude it a little bit so it looks like 3D. So we are getting somewhere, right? In fact, we're probably already done. And the alignment, maybe I just leave it left because this is, let's say this is like a roulette table. We want to have it so we can spin it flat. So we have this text, and let's do a little bit of just manual work. Give it a different color for our text. We can of course use nodes as well for this, but why not? Sometimes you just want to manually do this. So because your brain sometimes you can think about other ideas while doing this. So that should be the color, and this one should be, pick one more color. Yeah, something like that. So save this file, export collada. Oh, I want to export selection only. File, export DAE collada, selection only. Save it to desktop as roulette. Save the blend as new file. And before we jump into Facebook, we want to use Three.js. I'm using Three.js a lot to convert my GLB. So, oops, internet just died. Okay, file, new, file, import, DAE, Collada, and okay, we got nothing. I need to convert this first. Convert to mesh, and then file, export, Collada once again. File, new, file, import. This GLB exporting should be streamlined somehow. So we get this object. We can add maybe hemisphere light. Okay, that's kind of okay, right? We just gonna export as GLB. Hopefully this is under 3 megabyte. Now we can switch to our 3D pose. And let's jump into our downloads. Drag and drop this guy there. And you got a 3D roulette spinner. So this is where you're gonna decide what you're gonna eat for lunch. So let's see. Spin it. Oops. Spin it. And you get kind of between sushi and pizza. Maybe pizza sushi. Try again. You can eat noodle today. Spin it many times. You can use this. You can try your smartphone, your iPhone, and spin this, and you're gonna get something. Okay, salad. There you go. Spinner, 3D pause, FB3D. That's my hashtag. Sushi. This is gonna be public, so send it. That's my idea for 3D roulette. So give it a try. This is something that you can easily do. You can change the text, you know. If you just use my setup here and just use any kind of text, you can have a lot more. Like I'll try to think of food names, fruits names, orange, papaya, avocado, pineapple is a long one. Okay, how many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Maybe have more. Kiwi. Well, I think that's 9. Okay, update it. Delete everything. It should update. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We still only have 7. Reload. Now we have 9. You see how easy this is, and you can always change the orientations as you need it. So this is really like you learn 2 or 3 things at the same time. So this is I call it text roulette. Okay, so try this on Facebook 3D pause and then see what you can come out with. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.